All right, so in this instructional video, we're going to take a look at concentrating on changing our font style and our font color. This is also where if you want to add any gradients or any layer styles, this would be an appropriate time to do that. The first thing I think I'm going to do is I think I want to take the make it part, and I would like it to be possibly more in a cursive font. So I'll see what that will look like. If my font is going to load. Ooh, I think I may actually like that one. I think I do want to enlarge it. I really like it being the same width as the word stumble. So I'm holding my shift key down when I'm enlarging it so it stays in perspective, meaning that it's not super tall or super skinny. All right, so I was able to change this text and I really like that. So I think I'm going to play with colors now. I really see that dance should maybe be a brighter color. I think I'm going to go into my layer styles and maybe I'll put a gradient overlay on. I actually even like the black at the bottom. Maybe I'll do something like this, and maybe I'll add a really thin black stroke so the yellow at the top still stands out. And let's see. So I really like my text for the word stumble because I think it looks like it's crumbling. And when I think of something crumbling, I think of it falling. I feel like I should definitely integrate yellow somewhere else. So you can change the color of your text, or you can just do a color overlay. I think I like that. Now I want to show you something that I think is pretty cool. So if I want to use this effect on the word you, I can do a right-click layer style copy, right-click layer style paste. So it's on both of those. Trying to decide if I want to put that same effect on of the. I think I want to. And I'm going to play with a yellow outline or stroke on the word stumble. Yeah, I think I like that. Now I'm wondering, do I need to add some yellow anywhere to the make it part? Take a look at my layer styles here. Actually, I think I like the stroke. Yeah, I think I kind of like this look. So that's where I'm going to stop for today. And this is kind of my next screenshot that I would post. So good luck. Have fun. Make sure you reach out if you have any questions. Take care. Bye-bye.